One piece chicken lang tayo, diet kunwari. Today, nandito tayo sa Intramuros. Nakataon na nandito kami, wala sa plano, and we will look for a delicious and sulit na student food. Kain na lang. Sige, spicy. Okay. Then 5 rice din. Wala pa kaming maupuan. Yan. Ayan, sige to. Quick lunch lang kasi papunta kami ng isang event. Pero we had to take lunch kasi walang lunch doon. So, nandito tayo. Tapat lang ng LPU sa Muralla Street, no? No choice. Kakain ako ng rice today. Sikat to eh. Taste is to believe. Stop! I like the sauce. Parang Korean, not Korean style. It's spicy, salty. Banana ketchup is the secret here. Sulit siya because of the sauce. Pwede na sa estudyante. 109 pesos, I guess. Portion size is decent. Yung parang nakakain ka talaga ng manok. Tapos mahal ito ng konto. But because of the sauce, sulit siya. Malaki yung portion niya. Tubig na. Hindi naman lamagyan. Medyo mainit lang talaga na mag-lunch dito. Pero yung chicken nila, I like it ha. I like the spiciness na it's not in your face. Then, yung sauce is very good. Pero yun lang ha, hindi ko naubos yung rice ko. Oh. Fair enough din, afford ang estudyante. Medyo sikat siya. Next time, babalik tayo to taste sa other flavors. Bye for now!